would like to request Maulana Mufti Lutfur Rahman, the President of Ulama Council of the United States, USA.
Thank you everyone for joining here, for showing great support for our brother and sister who are suffering in Myanmar. I would like to share my thought about our brother and sister that are suffering in Myanmar. Especially I would like to draw attention to United Nations General Assembly. Please make a new resolution about the saving our Rohingya Muslim brother and sister. Also, I'd like to draw our attention to our President Barack Obama. Please do immediate action to save our brother and sister who are suffering in their land, who are getting out from their land, who are just the people burning, the government of Myanmar burning their house and their property, killing them innocently. We against all of this innocent killing, and we're gonna talk about very important point is our Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, I'm urging you as a human decency, please show your support to our brother and sister who are coming from Myanmar to Bangladesh. Open the border for them. Give them shelter. Open the border for them. Give them shelter. Make sure they are getting into the Bangladesh very easy way, very easy access way. Please give them shelter. I'm going to talk about our brother and sister. Stop killing. Everybody say Rohingya. Stop killing. Rohingya. Stop killing.
Rohingya.
Stop killing!
Rohingya!
Stop killing!
Rohingya!
Stop killing!
Rohingya!
On behalf of United Ulama Council of USA, I'm thanking everyone for joining here. Thank you very much.